Got the crew working, rocking, putting in the tags, steaming the dresses. Steam, steam, steam. I missed all the snakes and alligator from the window.
You didn't see the crocodile and the
No,
snakes?
I did not last night. So
All
I'll
the
have
critters?
I know. I'm gonna go get some more video
Okay.
of the window in the daytime.
All the details in the daytime?
Yeah, we'll see if I can see it, hopefully, and show everybody the
There
craziness.
are a million tiny details.
That's the thing.
That's why you have to go look 1,000
yeah,
times.
that's exactly right. You can look at it several times and before you see it all.
Yes.
So here I go.
Okay, bye.
Here is the side of the Royal We shop. It's got this nice little mural, Conway, on it there. And then up here, Lane's friend Carrie painted this logo for us. So that's the side. It's got a corner entrance. So there's our entrance. We still have it papered because we don't want anybody to see in all the dresses yet. But here are the windows. Oh, so much reflection. Shoot. May have to come at night again. I want to show you the little critters anyway. So they're all her, what are those called? I can't remember. They look fantastic. Her shop tees. It's in a little case here, isn't that cool? Her mama bought her this little table. But here, there's a little snake right there coming out of the bush. And then she's got these great cranes, you can't see it. And then there's the gator coming out. Fantastic. And then so she's got a little pantsuity thing there. I'm good at describing dresses, believe me. So she got another crow or whatever, not a crow, whatever that bird is. And then another little snake there. So she got two pyramids down here. I'm gonna have to do the rest at night because you cannot see it during the day. You can see it in person a lot better, but not on the phone. So more to come. There are the berries, huh?
I think we qualify for.
Yes, you are vlog worthy. Have come to the Royal We to see all of the festivities. So they approve. The window is approved. Mama and Daddy Barry. That's all. Okay, no comment. Hello, people. There you go. Thank you. There you go. Mama approves of that one. You don't want to get on camera?
She gorgeous.
That's a beautiful color on you too.
I want to put it like
You gotta like let the wind blow that back. That's beautiful.
use the ladder. Okay.
All right, show them a little quick little something and then tell them to go to the TikTok
There's a
page.
transition coming for TikTok. You don't get the whole
Oh,
thing
tease.
now. And you gotta go follow. This is the TikTok. _Royal We Prom. Go follow the TikTok.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Cut
well done.
those together.
Yeah.
Lane's still sewing. Audrey's making TikTok videos,
Doing social media content.
wearing different dresses. Isn't she the prettiest girl that ever lived, except for my wife?
No, she beats me by a long shot.
Lane, do you want to tell them why you are changing out all of the tags? I can't remember if we said it here. You said we haven't, but
We have not said it here. I know you think we have, but we said it on Instagram. We did not say it here. So in this store, we do private label. You know, from the beginning of time, brick and mortar stores have competed against one another. And so we used to just fight, I don't want my other competitors to know the brands that I have in my store. So we would remove tags. But now with the internet, people want to come into a brick and mortar store. They want to take an appointment time. They want to use my facility, my utilities, my employees. They want to put my dress on their body.
look in your mirrors.
Look in my mirror, take my candy, my t-shirt that they're going to get when they leave, and then they're going to go online and see if they can buy it somewhere cheaper for $5. So we take all of the branding out and we put our own branding in, and we don't allow any photographs until you've decided on your dress. Once you've decided and committed, you can take a picture of your dress. But until then, we do what we can do to protect the fact that we are a brick and mortar mom and pop establishment trying to make a living in, you know, trying to support a downtown economy, a thriving downtown. trying to be in business.
Yeah.
It's hard.
And the bridal business is so much about the experience,
Yeah.
but second to a wedding gown, a prom dress, right?
Yes.
Tell them a little bit about the experience of shopping here.
Well, yeah, there are a lot of places, like I hate to go into a prom dress store where all the dresses are in bags.
Yeah.
I hate that. It looks so cheap to me, so cheesy. Even if the dresses are $1,000, you put it in a plastic bag, it looks like garbage. I can't stand that. And I understand the reasons for that. A lot of people do that to protect their investment as well. But several years ago, Kevin and I went to Chicago and did like high-end boutique shopping. So we went to Chanel and to Louis Vuitton and, you know, all the big name stores. And one thing I noticed in those stores was that the goods were not crammed together. They were grouped very beautifully. They were spaced a certain distance apart. There wasn't an overwhelming number of items kind of crammed together. So when I came back here and designed this space, the spaces were all very clean and very light and bright. I wanted that same high-end experience in a shopping experience that everybody can enjoy. The dresses here start at $175, so literally anybody who's gonna buy a formal dress can buy one here, but you're gonna have that super high-end couture experience. We have 5 girls who work here, so everybody gets their consultant. We just really want everybody who comes here to feel very taken care of, and like this is a very special moment. I mean, I know right now a lot of girls are buying their prom dresses online or like from Shein or wherever, but that you're gonna open a stinky box and a stinky bag from China, and that's gonna be your prom dress shopping experience. This is something that hopefully these girls will remember for the rest of their lives. I remember prepping for my
proms. Once or twice in their life.
Yeah, it's a huge deal. It's a huge deal. So we want to make it as special as possible.
Yep. There you go.
Yeah. Hey, Kevin. Is this what you thought you'd be doing when you came home?
Well, you know, whatever it takes. Any port, I guess. Is that the right? That's not
Any port in a storm? I don't think that
That's
quite
not right.
is
Okay.
what you're
Well,
looking
whatever the
for
job
there.
needs is that what I'll do.
Okay, I guess
Okay,
maybe
okay.
you're my any port in a storm. I'll put
There
it.
you
I'll
go.
put a steamer in anybody's
Okay.
hand at this
All
point.
right. Yeah, well, I am steaming, but I'm in air conditioning, which is much better than the work I'm doing.
And you know what?
So,
The air conditioner was broken here until yesterday. So
Yeah.
we've been up here in 81, 82 degrees working on this.
well, it's
and
better
you're
than 96 still.
That's true. That's true.
But this is not too bad.
not too shabby.
I'll
Okay.
take it. I'll take
Okay.
it. It's kind of fun.
Okay. Bye.
It's a different thing.
Different.
I wish I had a place to sit. Exactly.
Are you ashamed? Take Daddy's seat?
Not really.
No?
No, it's time that we edit the video, so let's go ahead and get that going.
You got some work to do?
Yeah, we gotta get a video.
Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Whoever said we have too many animals?
Can't imagine. Nobody. Oh, there's something down in this crack. Oh, there's a piece of plastic, Daddy.
Oh, thank
Did you retrieve
you.
it?
I
Thank
can retrieve
you.
things for you.
Thank you.
What do you need? I will retrieve it.
Are you just gonna scooch it right here?
Yeah, just gonna
Scooch it right here.
just gonna
Don't mind me, I'm
scooch
just gonna
in.
scooch it right here.
Yeah. You're wearing black and I'm wearing white.
Yes.
Let me put some of my white on there.
You my good boy, Stanley.